again from the Urban Mali nursery. As you can see, it's another bright sunny day here at the nursery. It's also a time where we are quickly moving into the peak of summer, a time where our plants are so much more happier. They produce flower, they fruit, they also have a lot less infections and diseases. You may have to water them more than once a day, but it's worth it because they're just so much happier. To continue our conversation on medicinal plants, I'm going to be talking about 3 more plants that we have here at the nursery with us. The first is Nella Basile. Nella meaning ground. So it's a version of basile or Malabar spinach that grows on the ground as opposed to basile, which is a climber. So similar to basile or Nella or Malabar spinach, this plant can also be used to help cure mouth ulcers. So you can take a few leaves, eat it, take in the juice in your mouth, and it helps cure ulcers of the mouth. It's also very delicious as a curry, as a stir fry. It's a lovely plant to have in your home garden. The next one is popular not just in India but across the world, Ashwagandha, which literally means the power of a horse. So this plant gives you energy, vitality, immunity. One of the ways that ashwagandha can be used apart from giving energy is in de-stressing, something that many of us need these days. So the roots of ashwagandha are made into a tonic and it helps reduce stress and anxiety. The third plant is one of my favorites because not just is it useful, but it's also so pretty. This is garlic chives. Very easy to grow right in your, you have the pods in your own kitchen. Take a few pods, put it into the soil, and it gives these beautiful, flowers that are not just beautiful for us, but you see so many rare, colorful wasps and bees buzzing around this plant. Of course, garlic is very good for a cough or a cold or a lung infection, and the lovely leaves are so delicious. You can put them in a salad. You can make anything that you like out of it, and it's very garlicky. It has a lovely garlicky zing to it. So these plants are found at our nursery. Look up our website urbanmali.com. We now have a shop page where you can purchase these plants online, or get in touch with us at 8804 82000. We're waiting to hear from you.